Hello guys, welcome to my live math video. I am going to do geometric math video now. You can enjoy the geometric math. Geometry is very important topics in the mathematics, so you can enjoy the geometric math. A simple geometric math I will discuss here. The first math is find the polar coordinates of the point -2 and -2. Find the polar coordinates of the point -2, -2. Okay, I have to show the polar point of this point -2 and -2. So we know that the polar point coordinates is polar coordinate is r theta. So sorry, the I have to show the polar coordinate. So this is the Cartesian coordinate, and let -2, -2 equivalent to x, y. So for the Cartesian coordinate, r equals root over x square plus y square. So -2 whole square plus -2 whole square root over then root over 4 plus 4 equals root 8 equals 2 root 2. And for this I have to find out the theta. We know that theta equals tan inverse -2 divided by -2. So equals space I have to yes, theta equals tan inverse y divided by x. So equals y equals tan inverse -2 divided by -2. For this part I need to show a graph. Here I am drawing an approximate graph. X prime, y prime, and the point is -2 and -2. So here x and y both plus. Here x minus and y plus, then this is x and y both minus, and here x plus and y minus. So -2 point coming to this third quadrant. So -2 point in this quadrant, and in this point the angle will be 45 degree, because tan inverse -1, here you can see theta equals tan inverse -1 divided by -1. So tan inverse 1, finally it is coming tan inverse 1, and this is coming to the third quadrant. So here this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, finally pi, and this is 45 degree. That means this point is pi by 4. So we are getting theta equals pi plus pi by 4. So theta equals pi plus pi by 4 equals 5 pi by 4. So polar coordinate, so polar coordinate r theta equals 2√2 and 5 pi by 4. This is answer. Thanks. I have done the first math, then I am going to the second math. second math is find the Cartesian coordinates of the point this find the Cartesian coordinates of the points √2 minus pi by 4 and 270 degree. So to do this math, we have to find out the Cartesian coordinates. That means coordinates for xy. So this has been given as r theta. So let r theta Cartesian coordinates. I have to write here polar coordinates r theta equals √2 equivalent, not root equals minus pi by 4. So we know that for Cartesian coordinate xy will be r cos theta and r sin theta according to the rule respectively. So for Cartesian coordinate r cos theta equals √2 cos minus pi by 4 equals √2 cos minus pi by 4 equals cos pi by 4 equal what? At first I have to write cos minus pi by 4 equals pi by 4. So we know that the value of cos pi by 4 equals 1 divided by √2. But here you can observe that cos minus pi by 4 equals cos pi by 4. Why? Because cos function is an even function. So for this reason cos minus theta equals cos theta finally I can say that this is cos function is not the mirror function. It cannot be reflection by the mirror. Cos function graph cannot be reflected by the mirror. For this reason, cos function is even function, and cos minus theta equals cos theta. So I have written here cos minus pi by 4 equals cos pi by 4. So finally we are getting equals 1. Now r sin theta equals root 2 sine minus pi by 4. Here is an interesting thing that cos minus pi by 4 equals minus sine minus pi by 4 equals minus sine pi by 4. So root 2 minus sine pi by 4. Why I am writing here? Because sine function is not even function. For this reason, sine minus theta equals minus sine theta equals root 2 into minus 1 divided by root 2. Because sine pi by 4 equals 1 divided by root 2 equals root 2 finally we are getting minus 1. So x y equivalent r cos theta r sin theta equals or equivalent 1 minus 1. This is answer. Okay, I am going to the next math. So for the next math, 2 and 270 degree. So x equals r cos theta 2 cos 270 degree equals 2 cos 270 degree. I have to draw a graph here. Uh, 270 degree, that means here x y. So the point is on the y-axis for this region. Here cos function will not be cos function will be 0 for this region. Here we will get 0. Cos 270 degree equals 0, so we are getting 0. Sorry. And y equals r sin theta equals r equals 2 and sin theta equals theta equals 270 degree. So finally we are getting 2. Now what will be the sine function here? Here you see that when sine is positive, this goes the upper side of the graph, and when sine is negative, this is coming to the negative side. So sine for the sine function, this will be negative, and since we know that we can write like this 90 degree into 3. So the value of sine 90 equals 1. So finally this will be 1, and since this is coming to this point, and here sine function will be negative, so minus 1. 2 into minus 1, this is the value, and finally we are getting minus 2. So x y equivalent 0 and minus 2. So the Cartesian points point Cartesian point is 0 minus 2. This is answer. Thanks all of you. No more today. I am going to stop this live video. If you like my video, you can like and comments, and I will enjoy if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks.